Let's look at a function called CHOOSEROWS. The function name clearly tells you that it lets you select specific rows of your choice. Let's begin. CHOOSEROWS. The first parameter is array. I'm going to provide the entire dataset A2 to D21. And then it expects you to list down all the rows you want. I'll just write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 to indicate the rows I want. In addition to, or even instead of giving positive row index, we can even provide negative index. Helps you display rows from the bottom of the table. Let's look at an example where I want to display the first two rows and the last two rows. Choose rows. The array will be the same, that is the entire data set. And the row index will be 1 and 2 for the first two rows, and -2 and -1 for the last two rows. One of the common use of the CHOOSEROWS function is to find out the top n rows or bottom n rows. Let's look at taking out the data for top 3 orders by unit sold. The first step will be to sort the data in descending order. We will sort the entire array. The index will be 4, as units sold is the fourth column, and -1 for descending. Now we will use the CHOOSEROWS function to display the top 3 rows. I will write CHOOSEROWS, and for array we will use the result of the SORT function. We can then type 1, 2 and 3 to get the top 3 rows. You can even use the take function instead of the CHOOSEROWS here. If you aren't familiar with the take function, I have another video which I have linked in the description below. Similar to CHOOSEROWS, you have another function called CHOOSECOLS that lets you select specific columns. If you'd like to learn more about CHOOSECOLS function, then you can check out the video. The link for that too is in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.